I've been hearing about the Smart Save account. I would like to have a detailed overview of the account, including its features, benefits, and eligibility criteria.
Sure. The Smart Save account is available across three variants: savings, current, and NRO. It is curated for customers seeking higher returns on idle balances.
Smart Save savings account can be opened by resident individuals, women, and senior citizen customers. For now, let me help you understand the auto sweep feature.
Your CSP Smart Save savings account comes with an inbuilt auto sweep feature. Within this account, 50,000 rupees stays in your savings, while the surplus amount automatically moves into a fixed deposit in multiples of 25,000 rupees, earning up to 7% per annum for a tenure of 13 months. Let me give you an example. Say your account balance is 1,25,000 rupees. Your set minimum is 50,000 rupees. So 75,000 is automatically swept out from savings account into the FD, earning 7% interest for a tenure of 13 months. And this FD is created automatically every week in multiples of 25,000 rupees. So if you need 10,000 rupees, that amount breaks from your last booked FD and moves back to your savings instantly in multiples of 5,000 rupees. The remaining 65,000 rupees still in the FD keeps earning at 7%. 10,000 rupees also earns FD interest for the period it remains in FD. No lock-in, no penalty on the rest. You access what you need and the balance keeps working. The maximum FD you can book is 1 crore rupees per sweep out. Idle money that earns more. Access your fund anytime. Smart returns of up to 7% per annum. That is the CSB Smart Save savings account.
That's great. I'd like to open one.
Let's get you started.
CSB Bank.